Well, the indicators are still working. I thought that loose connection might have failed, but they're doing fine. Nobody's won the lottery, unless it's a foreign winner. 90 odd million. I tell lads at work I've got PLD, post-lottery depression, if I look miserable. Here we are again. Oh, the Burger Boy's open. I'm in a full high-vis jacket. Only wear this because it's waterproof. I'll knock the camera off now, not filming inside again. What's that with the twin exhaust? That's nice. Suzuki. Shiny black. Always better with twin silencers, aren't they, bikes? I never like them with a single one, a massive single one. Twin ones are always well balanced. Totally unfamiliar with all the new models. With having a 13-year-old bike. Is that in a Zoomer? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the same as that. Oh, it didn't say in a Zoomer on it. In a Zoomer. Right, I'll knock it off. Well, I just bought my Oximiser900. I could almost be made for my 900. And she just asked the mechanic and said it probably is a regulator rectifier if it's 13-year-old. And the girl upstairs mentioned spark plugs. I said, well, it is blowing blue smoke a bit, so I could do with some new spark plugs in, like Bandit Nev said, iridium ones. It's nice, isn't it? About that Sam Smith. It's a little bit ricketed, isn't it? Slingshot. How does that compare to the Spider? Yeah, lovely. Time is it? How long have I been in there? 15 minutes. Oh, alright. I've not really looked in detail since I've been messing with that light. I'm going to stick it there, but there's not enough room, is there? It's going to have to go there. And I can tuck the wires. I'm going to say I could stick a reflector to cover the wiring up, but I think it's going to be that big. And put a short vehicle sticker there. Yeah, I'll do that at weekend if it's not pissing down. I just said if it costs what bloody taxis I've forked out. I mentioned the price. Recommended price £50, our price $34.99. Advanced battery management system. Rapid charge rate. Well, I'll have a look when I get home. I'll do another bit of filming. Better not lose this. There's a room in my bag. I forgot to buy a butty when I went to Morrison's. I got a tin of peaches at work and a tin of cheap rice pudding in here. A carton of pomegranate juice. Went to be good for you, that, didn't it? I got a carton of tomato juice on Friday. Or was it Saturday? Thinking it would be healthy, meant to be a good antioxidant or something. And they were absolutely horrible. They were like trying to drink a bloody bottle of ketchup. Just tasted disgusting, so I poured it all down the sink. It was only 87p, but I've never had it before. I expected it to be sweet, and it said with added salt. That open. Oh. I'm going to leave my bag open again. Last time I did that, I lost £10 mobile phone. My pass, my security pass for work, and my inhaler. Inhaler cost £8 now to get another one. Right, thank you, Rocket Senti. Yes, you're in wrong lane, Albert, aren't you? Twerp. I should have given him a blast, but like I said, maybe I'm too polite on the road. Should I get past all these silly buggers? Hello again. Yes, I'm back home. Oops. After a hard day at work, and there we are. Oximiser900, cheapo cable twin socket, 6 metre, switch with a little LED thing, and some silicone in case I need it. And under the sink, come on. Well, there's an old hose pipe there, which I'm going to feed the cable through just to armour it a little bit and for weather protection. What I need is some clips, to clip the bloody hose pipe. I'll see if a do-it-yourself shop has any pipe clip type of things. Probably the same diameter as copper pipes or hose pipe, but it's not really that urgent. I could do all that later. Just fasten it with tie plastic cable ties for now in place. So we're very quiet at work. I shouldn't be getting pizzas really, because they've cut the bloody hours down because things are quiet. We're only on 30-hour contracts, but I'm starving, so I have to get a nice pizza and a bottle of beer. I got that at dinner time. Lagunitas. Meant to be American Indian Pale Ale. American Indian, 6.2% alcohol. It's quite powerful stuff. It's Lagunitas Brewing Company, Petaluma, California, USA. 6.2%, that's the same strength as Wobbly Bob. Should I have my pizza to go down? Right, I'll eat that. Don't know why I put kettle on. Forgot about my beer. Yeah, I'm going to say, because things are quiet at work, I booked tomorrow off, and I told the lad that I've got a little job to do on the bike. Did I mention before that it's $34.99? Because I'm forking out for bloody taxes, £8 each way when the bike battery is flat. It'll pay for itself, won't it, in no time at all, if it does all it says. I'll do an unboxing tomorrow. Charge status, battery level indicator, battery voltage meter, power indicator, connection warning, battery display, induction cooling. What was I reading before? Oh, there we are. Yeah, polarity check, battery analysis, assesses battery and determines best charging method, bulk fast charge, charges at a fast rate, you see that, to bring the battery to approximately 85% capacity. Absorption charge, lowers the charge rate and gives a topping charge to ensure the battery is charged to 100%. Voltage check, hourly voltage checks assess battery health. Maintain mode, that sounds the best, applies an appropriate charge if voltage drops outside acceptable limits to ensure the battery voltage and condition remains perfect. Yes! Hey! Hey! That's what I want. Right, let me get my pizza. This will continue tomorrow. Well, it's wired up, all correct I hope. I'll just squid some silicone in the where the cable goes in the junction box, and you see it's going to be dry under here. Well, sort of neatly tied up. Let me see. A watch, here we have a light. Like I said, it won't be on all the time because I can either switch it off when I'm at work with my bike or connect it to the car battery I have to power those lights. You know what I mean? I'm not really happy with this arrangement, but I'm going to put a little hook under here, and I've found some brackets. Put some lights on. Going dark before 3 o'clock. Nope. I've tied in my sockets up, stuck them there with a sticky, for my sticky foam pads. A roll I have, so that's stuck fast. Yeah, these brackets are from some cheap curtain poles I got, and I thought, oh crap, I won't use them. Right, unboxing. I better do this quickly because I want to get that silicone done before tonight. And of course this needs connecting to the battery. Although as I said, the bike should be alright till weekend on a full charge. I should put a white sheet on here, shouldn't I? I haven't got any white things. A lot of rubbish in here. There we are. Is that better? Can you see? Where's all these leads? Right, so that's the Oximiser in its wall mount. It says screw it to a wall, but pity if that was a flat back I could use my sticky foam again, couldn't I? Can you see that? Got a neat little unit. Mains cable. Doesn't look very long, does it? It looks like a standard, like in back of a video socket. Where's that plug-in? Bottom, yeah. That's right, bottom. Right, so the battery one. Bloody hell. Is that it? Inline fuse. I thought it'd be about 2 meters long or something. What the hell is that? It's the extension. It said complete with extension leads. Bobby, stop being silly. Little fight. You might be alright. Yeah, possibly. It just depends where this is going to go. That's going to dangle. Well, it doesn't have to dangle. Battery's right behind there. So I could fasten that to the crash bar with a weatherproof cap on. Maybe dangle it slightly so when you drip off the end. And how much length have we got? Ooh! Let's see if I switched it off. I'll plug that in. Let's get the Oximiser. Yeah, well, that's going to go on that car battery. So, original idea. Yeah, I could dangle it from the clothesline, like I said. I've got a little hook there. Dangle, 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 plug in. No more pissing about. That's an LED. It's, people have said will drain the battery. Good that, isn't it? It's like the little thing that Predator has on his wrist when he's going to detonate that bomb. Right, I'll take that in so it doesn't get scratched. Turn the lights on. Get that way to the battery quickly. Actually, it's so far, the battery's tucked in so much, bloody hell, it's going to be a tight squeeze. Right, well there it is, connected up. I phoned the rocket centre and the extension is 10 quid, £9.99. But I don't think I need it. Little blue lights, see? And it's connected there. I put the socket there just hanging off the crash bar. It has a little rubber cup, not going to get any water in. The car battery's running out now. It starts to whistle and it'll pack up shortly. Bugger. Anyway, that's it. If you can still see me. Thank you for watching. Sorted. No more flat batteries, hopefully. And it's showing 13.1 volts, bulk charge 0.87 an amp. Gorilla firefighter burn. volunteer firefighter. Will add. Dawn died in a cycling accident. Amazing what they can do. I wonder if we had arseholes making silly comments. I think they're better educated in America. I forgot to do something the other day when I was doing that walk around. Number 2. Yes, I put some wood carving up and it looks a bit bare, so I put some plastic ivy up and it still looks a bit crap. And then there was these blue lights going cheap in a Wilkinson sale, so I got them. I think there's 200, might be more. I just like that electric blue colour. You can set them to different patterns, of course. Lights are not just for Christmas, they're for all year round. There you go. Is that the fade one or the full on? Oh, it's a fade one.